Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile page, you will see your current profile picture. Just below your username and stats, tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on your current profile photo. You will see two options: take a photo or upload photo. For this example, we are going to tap on Upload Photo. Select the photo you want to use from your gallery. Use your fingers to pinch and crop the photo as needed. And when you're happy with how it looks, tap Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it! Now you know how to change your TikTok profile picture.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.